President Draupadi Murmu concluded a state visit to Moldova, North Macedonia and Romania from July 19 to 25, 2026. It was the first ever bilateral visit by an Indian president to Moldova and to North Macedonia, and the first presidential state visit to Romania in more than 3 decades. Talks covered trade, investment, information technology, agriculture, pharmaceuticals, food processing and tourism. About the office, Draupadi Murmu is India's 15th president, sworn in on 25 July 2022. The 3 capitals are Chisinau, Skopje and Bucharest. India achieved a major space milestone on 18 July 2026 when Vikram 1 lifted off from Sriharikota and placed its payloads into a 450-kilometer low Earth orbit. Built by the Hyderabad startup Skyroot Aerospace and flown as Mission Agman, it is the country's first privately developed orbital launch vehicle. It is a 3-stage solid propellant rocket with a liquid-fueled Raman engine for precise orbital insertion. About Skyroot, founded in 2018, its rockets are named after Vikram Sarabhai, and its Vikram S sub-orbital flight in November 2022 was India's first private rocket launch. The 72nd National Film Awards were announced in New Delhi on 18 July 2026. Article 371 Best Feature Film, and Yami Gautam was named Best Actress for the same film. The Best Actor award was shared by Mammootty for Brahmyugam and Karthik Aaryan for Chandu Champion, while Rajkumar Periasamy won Best Director for Amran. Bhangar won Best Non-Feature Film and the Marathi film Humsafar won Best Short Film. About the awards, instituted in 1954, they are administered under the Information and Broadcasting Ministry, and the Best Feature Film trophy is the Swarna Kamal, or Golden Lotus. India has developed its first indigenous expendable turbojet engine in the 350 kg thrust class, strengthening its capabilities in advanced defense propulsion. The engine was designed by the Defense Research and Development Organization's Gas Turbine Research Establishment and manufactured by the Hyderabad-based firm Azad Engineering. The Ministry of Defense said the achievement reflects India's growing capability in jet engine technology and close collaboration with domestic industry. About DRDO, it was founded in 1958 and is headquartered in New Delhi, and GTRE, its engine laboratory at Bangalore, is best known for the Kaveri engine program. The DRDO on 23 July 2026 successfully conducted the maiden flight test of the long-range surface-to-air missile Kusha from Dr. APJ Abdul Kalam Island off the coast of Odisha. The Kusha system is designed to neutralize a wide spectrum of aerial threats. It can engage fighter aircraft, cruise missiles, unmanned aerial vehicles and large enemy aircraft across extended ranges and varying altitudes, making it a cornerstone of India's future layered air defense network. About the test range, Dr. APJ Abdul Kalam Island was formerly called Wheeler Island and lies in Bhadrak district of Odisha. India has taken a significant step in the fight against dengue with the approval of Kdenga, also known as TUG 003, the country's first licensed dengue vaccine. The Drug Controller General of India granted market authorization on 20 July 2026, making it the first dengue vaccine approved for commercial use in India. Until now, India's dengue control strategy relied on mosquito control, surveillance, early diagnosis and supportive treatment. About dengue, it is spread by the Aedes aegypti mosquito and has 4 serotypes, DENV 1-4. National Dengue Day is observed on the 16th of May. The Ministry of Information and Broadcasting has launched the pilot phase of the Gems of India Challenge, a nationwide initiative to identify, nurture and promote grassroots digital creators through the MyWaves platform on Waves OTT. Citizens can create 1 to 3 minute videos showcasing the stories, culture and heritage of their districts, with entries open from August 1 to 31, 2026. Awards are tiered: 50,000 rupees at district level for up to 20 creators per district, 2 lakh rupees at state level, and 5 lakh rupees nationally. About WAVES, it stands for World Audio Visual and Entertainment Summit, first held in Mumbai in May 2025. The World Trade Organization has completed the 8th review of India's trade policy under its Trade Policy Review Mechanism, the process through which members' trade policies are periodically examined to promote transparency. The review concluded in Geneva on 23 July 2026, with participation from 68 WTO members, while 44 members submitted 1,094 written questions. India's delegation was led by Commerce Secretary Rajesh Agrawal. About the WTO, it was established on 1 January 1995, is headquartered in Geneva, succeeded the GATT of 1947, and is headed by Director General Naguji Okonjo-Iweala. Andy Burnham has taken office as the Prime Minister of the United Kingdom after being elected leader of the Labour Party. He formally assumed office after King Charles III invited him to form a government, following the resignation of Keir Starmer. In his first address outside 10 Downing Street, Burnham pledged to restore public confidence in politics, describing his appointment as a circuit breaker moment, and called for national unity. About the office, 10 Downing Street is the Prime Minister's official residence, and Burnham had served as Mayor of Greater Manchester since 2017. On 19 July 2026, the commercial vessel MV Golden Leo came under attack while departing the Ukrainian port of Odessa. 4 Indians were killed and another was critically injured. According to the Ministry of External Affairs, the vessel had 17 crew members, including 5 Indian nationals, on board. India strongly condemned the attack, saying that targeting commercial shipping and civilian crew undermines the safety of international maritime commerce, and summoned the Russian charge d'affaires Vladimir Ladanov. About the term, a charge d'affaires heads a diplomatic mission in the ambassador's absence. Spain defeated defending champions Argentina 1-0 after extra time to win the FIFA World Cup 2026 final at the New York, New Jersey Stadium on 19 July 2026. Substitute Ferran Torres scored the match-winning goal in the 106th minute, securing Spain's second Men's World Cup title and their first since 2010. Spain also became the first nation to hold the Men's and Women's World Cup titles at the same time. Rodri won the Golden Ball, Unai Simon the Golden Glove, and Kylian Mbappé the Golden Boot. About the tournament, it was co-hosted by the United States, Canada and Mexico, and was the first with 48 teams. 2-time Olympic medalist P.V. Sindhu created history by becoming the first Indian to win the Japan Open, defeating Japan's Akane Yamaguchi 21-17, 21-17 in the women's singles final on 19 July 2026. The victory earned Sindhu her maiden BWF Super 750 Japan Open title and ended a title drought of more than 2 years. It is her biggest title since her 2019 World Championships triumph. About Sindhu, born on 5 July 1995 in Hyderabad, she won Olympic silver at Rio 2016 and bronze at Tokyo 2020, and holds the Khel Ratna and the Padma Bhushan.